Hello, hello! It's end of financial year end sale dito sa Australia. So today I went out with my friends. We went to Carousel Shopping Center dito sa Perth. Ito, ang dami ko nabili. So I bought 5-piece papa. Half prices today. So 2 bath towels, 2 hand towels, at saka bath mat. And another one is itong easily wipeable na placemats. Ang tagal ko nang hinanap to. And half price din siya today. So even though 6-seater lang yung table and chairs namin, 8 ang binili ko. Tapos ito, nahagip ng mata ko. Requested ng pamangkin ko yung perfume. Tsaka also, we recently renovated our bathroom. Kaya ito naman, bumili din ako ng 3-piece bathroom set. Kaya lang, I realize it's not discounted. So, baka I will return this one. Anyway, more. Ito naman, I bought a candle. Ang bango-bango niya. Half price din today. Timing pag nag-bath ko finally. Tsaka also, I bought this salt and pepper na toilet brush and roll holder. Para naman sa toilet ng anak ko. Toilet nga pala is CR dito sa Australia. So, ayan. Sobrang happy ko today because itong mga ito is pinag-ipunan ko talaga. Once a year lang ang end of financial year and sales. So, ang daming discounts. Ayan. Thank you!